Hey all, welcome to this week's update. It's the 9th of September. I haven't put an update out now for 2 weeks. I've been on holidays, taking some time off, so getting back into the swing of things at the moment. So I thought I'd just get a quick update out, give you an update where we are and what the plans are for the next few weeks and kind of what's happening in the market. Before I continue, could you please like this video on YouTube, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. So in August, we finished up with 8% in the green, largely driven by a strong resurgence in cryptocurrency overall. Taking Bitcoin, for an example, going from 29K up to the high 40s, from my perspective is, we need to take risk off the table where profits have been made. And over August, what I did was I did reduce the amount of crypto we had. We took a lot of profits with an inevitable drop to come, which did happen, obviously, at the start of this month. Not much of a drop. We were very underexposed really at the time. So we only suffered a bit of a drawdown, nothing substantial at all. So we headed into September with 40% of a cash balance after taking profits in crypto. This was premeditated in the fact that we'd got a few weeks of growth, extreme growth. And when that happens, I do like to take my profits, do like to have a cash balance for the inevitable drop of some type, which always does happen, whether it be a crash, whether it be a drop. There's always pullback after a particular rise of any asset. We'd probably been up at about 5 or 6% gain for the month at that time. We're in around 3.34% at the moment, which is still very, very strong. We're still only just over a week in September. I've bought some new positions in crypto, particularly, used some of that 40% balance that I had. There's still about 33% balance there at the moment. So allocated a good bit of my cash and probably about 25% of my cash there into cryptocurrency, and I'm picking up some good positions. So overall, 73.63% for the year, risk of 4, which is my lowest risk in a long, long time. So my risk reward is quite satisfactory. We'll be accumulating positions where we can. There's always a chance that it'll drop further. So we have money there available to be able to get to those new positions. The crypto exposure has gained over the last few weeks as I've been buying the dip, and I plan to continue to buy more positions. I do think we could see another drop. I don't think this correction is finished just yet. I'm not convinced it is anyways. I think there's still possibly more room for drawdown. And then I will look to buy more positions right there. Positions this week that I've mainly focused on is mainly across the board in crypto. I haven't touched any stocks at the moment. I am researching a few more stocks, which I'll touch in my next update, particularly focus on crypto at the moment. I think there's the most opportunity in the short and long term. And this is what most of my activity of my portfolio aligns around. So yeah, that's this week's update. It's been a quick one. Just wanted to give you some of my thoughts on where we are with crypto and where my head's at with where we want to take the account over the next few months. The plan is to get a more in-depth update out in the next week, hopefully. I'll give you some of the ideas on the stocks that I'm looking at the moment. There's some opportunities there, but I want to really make sure I've done my research on them. And the stock market is quite overheated at the moment, as a lot of people will attain to. But yeah, that's in the next update coming up. So look out for that. And otherwise, have a great week.